Welcome to Free Yourself, where we unlock your soul's purpose through mindset, manifestation, and astrology. In a world that often feels overwhelming, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters to us. Many of us seek clarity and connection to our deeper selves. But what if I told you that your soul has a unique purpose, a path designed specifically for you? Understanding your soul's purpose is essential for living a fulfilled life. It guides your decisions, shapes your passions, and ultimately aligns you with your true self. Mindset plays a crucial role in this journey. By shifting your thoughts and beliefs, you can create the reality you desire. Manifestation isn't just about wishing for something. It's about aligning your mindset and actions with your goals. Astrology can be a powerful tool in uncovering your soul's purpose. Your birth chart holds insights into your strengths, challenges, and life lessons. By understanding these elements, you can navigate your path more effectively. If you're ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery and manifestation, make sure to subscribe for more insights on your soul's journey to wealth and love. Thank you for watching, and remember, your soul's purpose is waiting to be unlocked.